we're back with another video. Y'all, I look crazy, but I just woke up and the first thing on my mind is to go clean my office because it looks crazy. Crazy. So that is what today's video is about to be. If this is your first video seeing me, I'm sorry girl that I'm looking like this, but we gotta get shit done. It's Sunday, your girl ain't going nowhere. So I'm just doing my morning routine. Let me finish my morning routine and then we can head to the office and start cleaning.
Trying to keep it peaceful is a struggle for me. Don't pull up at 6 a.m. to cuddle with me. You know how I like it when you love, you know me. I don't want to die for them to miss me. Yes, I see the things that they wishing on me. Hope I got some brothers that I live.
Alright you guys, so we are in my office right now and y'all, it is, I'm like even ashamed. Is my stuff in? Okay, it's clear. Hopefully it's clear. Like I need a little glare for my glasses, but whatever. It is crazy. Hopefully y'all ain't judging me, but this is how we looking so far. Like it's not that bad, but it's legit need some work. But first I'm gonna just like pack these orders real quick. It will be sped up for you guys so you guys don't have to see me packing orders all the time. So I'm just about to pack these orders and then we can start cleaning. Hopefully I get done in like, because I'm on a time crunch, I have to go get ready, so maybe like 30 minutes we should be done and cleaning everything. Most of these stuff is from me going crazy packing orders, like empty case shit and stuff. So
I go hard on Southside G. Hey, wait, I make sure that Northside E. Yeah. And still.
All right you guys, so we are about to start cleaning. I come here on camera looking like this, like I look crazy. But actually if you like my bonnet, it's actually from a black owned business named Afro Daisy. I'm gonna link it down in the description box for you guys, but let's start cleaning. Excuse your girl attire y'all, it is early in the morning and I'm just trying to get with it before my day starts. So
buckles on the jacket, it's elite. Nike crossbody got a piece. Got a dance, but it's really on some street. I'ma show you how to get it. It go right foot up, left foot slide, left foot up, right foot slide. Basically, I'm saying either way we bout to slide. Hey, can't let this one slide. Don't you wanna dance with me? No, I could dance like Michael Jackson. I could give you the man. It's a thriller in the track. Baby, don't you wanna dance with me? No, I could dance like Michael Jackson. I could give you satisfaction. And you know we out here every day with it. I'ma show you how to get it. It go right foot up, left foot slide, left foot up, right foot slide. Basically, I'm saying either way we bout to slide. Can't let this one slide. 2,000 shorties wanna tie the knot. 200 on my brother's block. Pedal off the roads like I love it not.
y'all, I want a new camera bag so bad. Like this one is so ugly. But I just put this in here. This is all my SD cards, so they was just like all over the place. Bring you guys closer.
I hit recorded drop, you can't ignore it. I'm transforming now these cars and planes, I'm always boarding.
Y'all, how cute is this case? Like, it's so cute. Oh, this is trash. And this is a trash right here, y'all. Don't watch my toes. Y'all, look at this retro phone. I literally found it in my ish. I can't get into it, like for some reason I cannot remember the password for this, so I'm gonna see if I can, you know, like kind of break into it somehow. I'm like eager to see what's on this phone. Put that over there. And then we just have my AirPods. Y'all, I need a new pink mat, you guys. Like, I be drawing on it, stuff, ink be getting on it too. Like, I'm gonna buy a new one.
It's a big gap between us and the game. In the next life, I'm trying to stay paid. When I die, put my money in the grave. When I die, put my money in the grave. I really gotta put a couple niggas in their place. Really just slapped every nigga in a waist. I really might tap realest nigga on my face. Lil CC, let it slap with the bass. I used to save hoes with a mask and a cape. Now I'm like, nah, love, I'm good, go away. Ain't about to die with no money out in cave. I was on top when that shit meant a lot. Still on top like I'm scared of the drop. Still on top when these niggas wanna swap. Niggas wanna swap like it's sauce in a watch.
Yeah, I love that ring light because it can go tall, short, whatever. Like, I got it a few years ago. I'm gonna see if I can link it in the description for you guys, but yeah, I love it. So I can use it on my desk, and if I don't want it on my desk, I can just use it on the table itself. I have like 50 million of these scrap papers just laying around, y'all, but I'm gonna see if I can start using them instead of just using a full sheet and wasting paper. These are like my personal boxes, y'all, so don't be kind of feeling like, oh my god, she got that thing on the floor. Like, everything here is for me personally, for me, and all my wholesale stuff is in the storage over there.
As I won't, I feel good sometimes I don't. Like, I finesse down Western Road. Like, this might go down to G.O.D. I go hard on Southside G. I make sure that Northside E. Still bad things, it's a lot of bad things that they wish and they wish and they wish and they wish and they wishing on me. Yeah. Hey, she say, do you love me? I tell her only partly. I only love my.
Alright, so everything is pretty much cleared away. Sorry if you hear the what do you call it? The lawnmower in the background, y'all. I'm just about to use this microfiber cloth and just wipe everything down and then spray everything. Alright, y'all, and I like to go in with my 7th generation just multi-service cleaner. Just rub a little bit on my cloth and then I just wipe everything down. Alright guys, so this is how we looking so far. And like I said, that case is there because I want to take that case. Hopefully I don't dirty it again. So we are about to clean the next part of the room. Alright guys, so just going to clean up my desk area real quick. Y'all, I'm in love with this desk. Like, as you can see, like, it goes up, it goes down, and you can write on it like dry erase board, like legit write on it. So I love it so much. I can link it in the description box for you guys if you guys want it as well. If you have a if you have like an office space or like work from home or anything, like this desk is absolutely perfect. So as you can see, it's like pretty messy right now. Glow Queen gloss, period. Let me put some on right now. The best, okay? Get you some. You know, I always have moisturizer by my desk. I don't know why, because then my face gets dry throughout the day. So this typically stays by my desk. Put all the pens in here. And then this is my planner, y'all. It usually stays by me. So I have like my to-dos for the day. I'm not gonna show you guys, but well, one of them was actually, was it to film? It was to pack orders and film, which I'm doing right now. So I usually put that right here. Here. And I always have random stickies around. And I have like 50 Apple Watch bands. So if you're looking at this one, is like old, so it's like turning yellow, but I have like a lot of them. And this is actually a remote for my treadmill, but it's not in here right now. It's like somewhere else. And this is my iPad that I barely use because there's barely any memory on here. Usually where I'm at, I just move this from like my craft desk to my regular desk throughout the day. So I should get 2 of them, but I feel like that's real extra. So I just use this. I'll just put my laptop in here. Like so, like that. And then let me just get the microfiber cloth. We about to vacuum in a minute, y'all, but as you can see next to my desk, I kind of just have this random table because I legit don't know what to do with it, because recently I got this pink table over here in the corner. If you can see, I'm going to show you guys like more in depth over there, but I kind of just have that table next to this one because I don't have any space or way to put it right now. So we'll just kind of fix that up. My little island charm right here, so cute. And I'll just put that there. Give you guys a close up. I got this table, y'all, from Home Goods, but it's so cute. And you know your girl loves pink. All right, so we just about to clean the monitors real quick. We should be good to go. Alright, y'all, so we about to clean the monitors. I got this from Best Buy. It's like a screen cleaner, and it comes with like the cloth, the microfiber cloth, as well as the spray and everything. So we just want to clean the monitors. And if you guys did not watch my video with my whole office room tour, I'm gonna link it above here so you guys can check it out, because your girl worked pretty hard on that video. So this is the finishing product of the office area. Super cute and simple. And like I said before, it is like a standing desk, and it does have the wireless charging. Get you guys right real quick. Have the wireless charging right there where I can charge my phone. Legit, let me put my phone on there so you guys can see. Yep, so you're charging, and then I can just press these buttons here. And it lowers the table. vacuum. I'm gonna show you guys a close up this personal of this table real quick. It is so cute. It's pink holographic, so you guys want to see yourselves. You can get the camera in there. So it is like pinkish mirrors type mirror. It's so cute. I got it from Amazon. So if you're interested in checking it out, I will definitely link it in the description box below. So if you're not following me on TikTok, go do that, sis. Okay. But let's vacuum and don't come for how much dust is in my vacuum, y'all. Like I was cleaning yesterday and then continuing to clean today as well. So let's vacuum, honey. Guys, so I am finished cleaning. Comment down below and let me know if you want me to do like daily life vlogs like this. I know this was different from like my business stuff, but I'm trying to give you guys more content. Period. But thank you guys for watching my video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in another video. Bye. Make sure to subscribe. Okay, bye.